A cat food recall with potentially deadly health concerns. Smucker company says it's received reports of pets having adverse reactions to one of its products. It's the 5.5-ounce cans of Natural Balance Ultra Premium Chicken and Liver Paté formula. It believes it's likely due to elevated levels of chlorine chloride, which could cause nausea, vomiting, tremors, or even respiratory failure. Pet parents who notice any of these symptoms in their animals should call their vet immediately. You should also throw out the rest of that food. Katie Johnston for CBS Local News.